Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a array loop animation in Blender. So let's start. Select the default cube, press Ctrl I, X and delete to delete unwanted things. Now select the cube, go here, modifiers, and as its name suggests it is an array loop, so I will use array modifier. Uncheck the relative offset, click on constant offset. Make distance x 0 and y 5. You can increase or decrease the distance as per your requirement. Let's increase the number of instances to 8. Now what I will do, uh, now I have to animate it. So what I will do, select this default cube, press I, location, go to the frame 50, press G, Y and press how much? 5. Press I, location. Now here's the important thing that you need to know. Make sure that it is a linear. And how I know it should be 5? The distance is 5 meter. So make sure that you move 5 meter because you want to create a loop animation. Next question is make sure that your frame, for example, in my case, it is 50 frame. So it is divisible by 250. Yes. So it will create a loop animation. If I make suppose let's say 51, so it will not create a looping animation because my number of frames is 250. So make sure they are correctly matching with each other. Now I need to add something. So I will click on add a camera. Press G and okay. Press 0 on numpad. Press N. View. Select these two. Zoom out using your cursor. And I will just look at let's say these three. Okay. So if I go forward, you can see it's just moving one bit and so stop it. So what I can do, select this and what I will do, go here, graph editor, select which one axis, y axis, go to the modifiers, select cycles. Notice it's look like it's moving forever, but in reality is what actually happening. If you look at it, it is just moving forward and back. So this is the advantage of array loop modifier and it can run forever. Now to render it out, I'm not going to use heavy work because my PC is not as strong, it will die immediately. So I will like make this, and what I will do, I will go here, color management, make it standard, and yeah, just render it out. Okay, so that's for all. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.